Hey everyone, today, Xiaomi created headlines in the IT industry when it revealed its newest products at a Chinese event. The Redmi Turbo 3 was the star of the show, along with the other new Redmi smartphones and tablets. With its remarkable features and capabilities, this newest member of Xiaomi's portfolio hopes to reinvent the mid-range category, following in the footsteps of its predecessor, the Redmi Note 12 Turbo. With its new Turbo series designation, the Redmi Turbo 3 makes its debut and declares its intention to be a real flagship killer in its class. With notable improvements over its predecessor, the Note 12 Turbo, it is meant to appeal to both casual users and tech enthusiasts. In terms of appearance, the Redmi Turbo 3 retains the sleek aesthetics of its predecessor, featuring a flat frame with subtly curved corners and distinctive protruding camera rings. At just 7.8mm thick and weighing a mere 179 grams, it strikes a balance between portability and durability, with Redmi proudly stating that the device is SGS 5-star drop protection certified. The centerpiece of the Redmi Turbo 3 is its stunning 6.67-inch OLED display, which is surrounded by ultra-thin bezels and seamlessly integrates a fingerprint scanner. Offering a crisp 1.5K resolution, a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an impressive peak brightness of 2400 nits, the display delivers an immersive viewing experience for users. In the photography department, the Redmi Turbo 3 doesn't disappoint, sporting a versatile triple rear camera setup. Anchored by a 50-megapixel Sony LIT 600 main sensor with optical image stabilization, and complemented by an 8-megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, it captures stunning detail and expansive landscapes with ease. Meanwhile, selfies received an upgrade with the inclusion of a high-resolution 20-megapixels front-facing camera. One standout feature of the Redmi Turbo 3 is its AI-based object eraser, which works akin to Pixel's Magic Eraser, allowing users to effortlessly remove unwanted elements from their photos. This feature adds a layer of creativity and polish to every shot, ensuring that users can capture perfect moments every time. Under the hood, the Redmi Turbo 3 is powered by a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, a slightly toned-down variant of the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM and a whopping 1 TB of storage, it delivers smooth performance and ample space for all your apps and media. Fueling the Redmi Turbo 3 is a robust 5000 mAh battery unit, which supports blazing fast 90-watt fast charging. This ensures that users can spend less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying their device. Running on the latest HyperOS-based Android 14 OS out of the box, the Redmi Turbo 3 introduces innovative features like air gestures, allowing users to control their device from a distance without touching the screen, ideal for taking selfies or navigating the interface with wet hands. Connectivity options abound, with USB-C port, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, NFC, and more, ensuring seamless connectivity wherever you go. Starting at an enticing price of 1,999 yuan or approximately $276, the base model of the Redmi Turbo 3 comes with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. In summary, Xiaomi's Redmi Turbo 3 revolutionizes the mid-range smartphone market by combining cutting-edge hardware with premium features and styling. It is positioned to attract clients globally because of its outstanding features and inventive capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you found it interesting, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.